Now the question is 25a square minus 4b square plus 28bc minus 49c square. Don't laugh. I know why you are laughing. So please don't laugh. Okay. So 25a square minus 4b square plus 28bc minus 49c square, right? Can anyone tell me how to solve this question? Please. Can anyone tell me how to solve this question? This is question number second, part 8. Please tell me, can anyone tell me how to solve this question? Fast. Now see how to solve this question. This is A, this is B, and this is BC, right? And this is C. So I just take these three values, B, C, and BC. So this will form a formula. I just take 5a whole square. Can I write it 25a square like this? 5a whole square?
Yes, sir.
No. If I take minus sign common, can I write 4b square minus 28bc plus 49c square, beta? If I take minus sign common, can I write 4b square minus 28bc plus 49c square? Any doubt? Any doubt to any student? Now 5a square as it is minus 4b square can be written as 2b ka whole square plus 49c square can be written as 7c ka whole square. Okay. And 28bc can be written as 2 into 2b into 7c. Any doubt? 2b square minus 2 into 2b into 7c plus 7c square. Any doubt with this step? Okay. Now 5a whole square minus, can I write this in a form of 2b minus 7c whole square? Can I write this as 2b minus 7c whole square, beta? Any doubt? A square plus b square minus 2ab. बेटा any doubt on this step? किसको doubt है बेटा यहाँ पे? बेटा अभी देखिए ना, 2b can be written as x, 7c can be written as y. So x square plus y square minus 2xy किसका फॉर्मूला होता है बेटा? x minus y का whole square. Any doubt? Now 5a का whole square minus 5a whole square minus 2b minus 7c whole square. Can I apply one identity here, that is x square minus y square, which can be written as x plus y and x minus y? Oh my god, so what is this question? Any doubt? So we are full of doubt. So if I write, let's say 5a is equals to x and 2b minus 7c is equals to y. Let's say 5a is equals to x and 2b minus 7c is equals to y. Can I apply this property or identity? X square minus y square can be written as x plus y and x minus y. Any doubt? Can I apply this identity to this equation? Now 5a plus 2b minus 7c and 5a minus 2b plus 7c, and this is your answer. Any doubt? Please raise your hand, those students who have doubt in this question, that how we solve this question. Please, to be very frank and to be very honest, please raise your hand. Okay. किनको बेटा? These terms?
y square और x square को.
Okay. Then?
और minus z square.
But why we are doing so बेटा?
So क्योंकि 2 में x y है, z में है, इसलिए से 2 में x.
Exactly. So beta, here you can see x square plus y square minus 2xy can be written as x minus y whole square, a square minus a square plus b square minus 2ab is the formula for a minus b का whole square. Any doubt to any student? Please let me know. So I can write x minus y whole square minus z square as it is, right? Now again we can apply one identity here. A square minus b square, right?
Yes.
A square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b, right? So a plus b and a minus b. So this is your answer. But you need to mention these two identities in question paper in your answer sheet, okay? That what we are using here is a minus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. And here you need to mention that a square minus b square is equals to a plus b and a minus b, right? Please note it down fast. Any doubt in this step? Please let me know. बेटा किसी को भी कोई इसमें डाउट है तो प्लीज रेज योर हैंड. All are champions. Okay. Now the next exercise is 14.3. Question number 1, part first. 28x की power 4, 28x की power 4 upon 56x. What is the answer?
X की power 3 upon 2 1.
Exactly. What you do here? What you need to do here is, see, 28 x की power 4 can be written as, please don't write while I am teaching, please. So 28 x की power 4 can be written as 28 into x की power cube.
41.
Any doubt? And 56 can be written as 28 into 2 into x, right? Any doubt? 28 ones are 28, x से x बेटा cancel out. What you will get? 1 upon 2 x की power cube is your answer. Any doubt? Please note it down fast. Part third, question number second, 8. Can you please dictate the question बेटा? 8.
8 bracket x power 3.
बेटा x cube y square z square, okay? Y square z square, then plus x square y cube z square plus x square plus y square and z cube and divided by 4x square y square z square. Okay, now see how to solve this question. See, in the denominator you have x square y square and z square, right? In the denominator you have x square y square and z square. Can you take x square common from the numerator? Okay. 8 x cube can be written as x into x square y square z square, right? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Plus x square y cube can be written as y into y square and z square. X square as it is, y square as it is, z cube can be written as z into z square, right? Okay. Divided by 4 x square y square z square, right? Now x square can be taken as common from this equation. Y square z square, y square z square, y square z square. That means x square y square and z square can be taken as common from this equation, right? So 8 x square, y square, z square. I just take common from this equation. What I get inside the bracket is x plus y plus z, right? Divided by 4 x square, y square, z square. Exactly. And 4 2s are 8. So what I'll get in the answer? 2x plus y plus z. This is your answer.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt to any student?
No, sir.
Okay, then note it down fast. The question says 96 ABC bracket 3a minus 12 into 5b minus 30 divided by 144a minus 4b minus 6. How to solve this question? Beta Aditi, can you please tell me what is the answer? No sir. Deepika? No sir. Any other student from boy side? No sir. We are unable to solve this question. Please let us know how to solve this question. Okay. Voluntarily. Okay. So 96 ABC can be written as 12 8s are 96. 12 8s are 96 into A, B, C. Multiply. Now 3 can be taken as common. Can I take common 3 from this? 3A. So I can take 3 common. A minus 4. Any doubt? Because 12 can be written as 3 4s are 12. Right? Now similarly, can I take 5 common from these two terms? Because 30 can be written as 5 6 are 30. Right? So I just take common 5 and I get B minus 6 in the bracket. Any doubt till this step? Divided by 144 can be written as 12 into 12 because 12 12s are 144, right? A minus 4 as it is, B minus 6 as it is. So these two terms can be cancelled out, right? 12 ones are 12, right? Please don't talk, please don't talk. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, right? 3 ones are 3. Any doubt in this step? Now see. In numerator what I get? 2ABC into 5, right? Right. So 2 into 5 into ABC upon 1, which can be written as 10ABC, and this is your answer. Any doubt to any student? Can raise your hand. Okay. Then note it down fast. Then note it down fast. Note it down fast. Question number 3rd, part 4 is for homework. Question number 3rd, part 4 is for homework, and part 3rd and 4th part of question number 3rd. Question number 3rd and 5th, question number 4th, part 3rd and 5th is for homework. Question number 5. बेटा क्वेश्चन नंबर 3rd का पार्ट 3rd and 4th, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4th का 3rd and 4th, एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 5th का बेटा को करना है 6th and 7th, part 6 and 7. So these 6 questions are for homework. Okay. Now let's take one example. Question number 5th, part 3rd, 5t square minus 25t plus 20 divided by t minus 1. Can anyone tell me what is the answer for this question? This is part 3rd of question number 5th. This is part 3rd of question number 5th. And these 6 questions are for your homework. Please, can anyone tell me what is the answer for this question? How much? Okay. 5p square minus 25p plus 20 can be written as like this. Can I take 5 common from the numerator? Can I take 5 common from the numerator like this? 5 p square minus 5p plus 4. Any doubt? Any doubt to any student? Can I take 5 common from this equation from the numerator? Then in the denominator I have p minus 1, right? May I have this part?
Yes, sir.
Now p square minus 5p plus 4. P square minus 5p plus 4 can be written as like this. 1 4 are 4, right? बेटा समझ में आ रहा है? ये तो क्वाड्रेटिक वाला है ना जो आपको बताया था, x plus a x plus b वाली फॉर्म. So p square minus 5p plus 4 can be written as like this. 1p square minus 4p minus p plus 4, right? बेटा इसमें तो कोई डाउट नहीं होना चाहिए. मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिटिंग that I told you day before yesterday. Any doubt? Then I take common p from these two terms. So 5 p can be taken as common. What I get? P minus 4, right? And what I get from here? Minus 1 can be taken as common. P minus 4, right? Bracket close divided by p minus 1. Okay. Now 5 p minus 4 can be taken as common. P minus 4. What I get? P minus 1 in the bracket, right? In the numerator I have p minus 1. Cancel out these terms. How much you will get? 5 p minus 4 is your answer. Please note it down fast. And if any student have any sort of doubt, please raise your hand. So जो 6 क्वेश्चंस आपको दिए बेटा, प्लीज इनको प्रैक्टिस कर लेना आप लोग. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क मी, ओके, इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास.